Ever wondered why your favorite lingerie loses its charm so quickly? Often the culprits are color fading, lost shape, and fabric damage. These common problems usually stem from improper care. But there's a way to extend the life of your lingerie. Want to know how? Stick around. First things first, the washing process. It's not as simple as throwing them in the wash with the rest of your laundry. Lingerie demands a bit more TLC. Hand washing is your best friend here. Use a gentle detergent and cold water to maintain the integrity of the fabric. Avoid the dryer like the plague. It can cause the elastic to lose its stretch. Opt for air drying instead. Remember, treat your lingerie with care and it will return the favor. After washing comes storage. Yes, how you store your lingerie also matters. The optimal way to store your lingerie is by laying them flat in a drawer. This helps retain their shape and prolongs their lifespan, and while it may seem counterintuitive, avoid folding your bras. Folding can damage the cups and underwire. Also, resist the urge to stuff your lingerie into a packed drawer. They need space to breathe, just like us. Remember, proper space and storage are key to keeping your lingerie in top-notch condition. Don't ignore the small signs. Regular checkups and timely repairs can save your lingerie from an early retirement. Consistently inspect your intimate apparel for any signs of wear and tear. Loose threads, a bent wire, or a fraying seam may seem minor, but addressing these issues promptly can extend the lifespan of your pieces significantly. Simple repair techniques can work wonders. A loose wire can be coaxed back into place and a torn seam can be easily mended. Remember, a stitch in time saves your fine lingerie. So what's the secret to long-lasting, beautiful lingerie? It's simple. Prioritize proper washing, invest in careful storage, and don't skimp on regular checkups and repairs. It's all about giving your lingerie the care it deserves. Treat it right, and it will make you feel fabulous for longer.